In this video, we're going to talk about JavaScript security, general web security where JavaScript is concerned, or more specifically, XSS or cross-site scripting. Let me explain that with one example. Look at this simple website. In URL, we can provide a message and that message is reflected in the website. If I add any text in the URL, that is reflected in the website. But the problem is, if I add any JavaScript in the URL, suppose I write script tag, inside that some alert, then that script is executed in the website. Now, what is wrong with that? If I execute some code in my browser, there is nothing wrong with it. But the problem comes when you want to execute the JavaScript in someone else's browser. Suppose when I copy this URL and send someone, and someone else clicks on the link, and suppose the other user is logged into the website, then I can do any action with the JavaScript with that user's login. That is the real concern, right? And this is the basis of cross-site scripting or XSS attack. The basic idea is having some malicious script to be executed in someone else's browser. Now this XSS attack comes in different flavors. The one that I showed you is called type 0 or DOM XSS attack. In this type of attack, script is executed directly in the DOM and it doesn't go to the server. But in some website, the web page is rendered from the backend. In that case, suppose the URL is sent to the backend and the backend reflects that same message, and that type of attack is called reflected XSS or type 1 attack. Okay, the third type of attack is called stored XSS attack. Suppose you have a website similar to Twitter, and in Twitter, if someone tweets something, that tweet is stored in the database and it is shown to thousands of other users. Now, suppose the tweet contains some JavaScript, and when that tweet is displayed to thousands of other users, that JavaScript will be executed to thousands of other browsers. That is called stored XSS attack because the JavaScript is stored in the backend. So now the question is how to prevent this kind of attacks. The general idea is never trust your users. Never trust the user input. If you want to render some message that is coming from user input, then you always have to sanitize the message. Sanitization means if that contains any script tag, then always escape the script tag or remove that script tag. And never execute some string as a JavaScript. If you use eval, then you can execute any string as a JavaScript. That is dangerous because that string can be generated from some user input, and we all know that user input cannot be trusted. So never use eval, you don't need it. So that is the general idea of cross-site scripting and XSS. If you want to know more about this topic, then let me know in the comment section and I will try to create a longer video with a lot of code examples. For now, if you liked it, please hit like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.